Almost every electronic device around us, whether it's a smartphone, laptop, traffic light, or even a car, relies on code to function. In this video, we'll unpack what it really means to learn how to code, explore the benefits of learning to code, and why these skills are essential. You may be wondering, why learn to code when AI can do it for me? Well, the answer isn't quite so simple. All that and more on this episode of The Framework, presented by University of Phoenix. To help answer this question of why learn to code, we sat down with Beth Cohen, an adjunct faculty member in the College of Business and IT at University of Phoenix.
The good news is nowadays coding does not require that you memorize arcane words or learn how to calculate in binary, because many of the tools for coding really make it so much easier.
Let's jump into 3 types of degree programs where you can learn coding skills relevant to your personal career journey. First, there's a Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. This degree can help you develop core skills in programming, networking, artificial intelligence, and big data. Next, there's the Bachelor of Science in Cybersecurity. With this degree, you'll gain skills needed to protect digital systems from cyber threats. These include skills like data security, penetration testing, and incident response. And finally, there's the Bachelor of Science in Data Science. Data science is all about analyzing and processing data to find insights. With this degree, you'll develop skills in data mining, data modeling, machine learning, and statistical analysis. But the answer to why learn to code isn't just about these technical skills. It also helps build other soft skills that are really important when it comes to standing out as a candidate. We asked Beth what she looks for in a candidate's personality when they arrive for their job interview.
Logic and critical thinking. I know that sounds weird that you have to look at your code and say, does this actually make sense? Another skill is project management, which is, again, the ability to chunk out your tasks. Modern coding is expected to be delivered on time.
Now, let's talk about the future. AI-powered tools are already changing the way developers write code. However, AI isn't taking over coding altogether.
AI is great at producing beautiful code. What it is not good at is producing working code. And that's where, as a trained coder or a trained software engineer, that's your real value.
Thanks for watching. If this video helped you understand the benefits of coding, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights. Drop a comment below about what coding topics you'd like us to cover next. See you next time.